वाइट कोट पहने दिल में प्यार, नर्सेस करती हर दर्द को पार। दिन हो या रात ये ड्यूटी निभाएं, हर पेशेंट के फेस पर ये मुस्कान ले आएं। इंजेक्शन हो या केयरिंग टच, इनकी मेहनत रियली मीन सो मच। सर्विस, पेशेंस और डेडिकेशन का साइन, नर्सेज है हेल्थ केयर फील्ड की रियल लाइफलाइन। Good afternoon, respected Principal Sir, honorable faculty members, and my dear friends. Today, we all are gathered here to celebrate the spirit of dedication, compassion, and service on the occasion of International Nurses Day. Care for one, that's love. Care for hundreds, that's nursing. Nurses are the heartbeat of healthcare, always ready with a smile, healing hands and caring hearts. आज का दिन उन सभी नर्सेस को डेडिकेटेड है जो अपनी सेवा और समर्पण से सोसाइटी को हेल्थियर और हैप्पियर बनाती हैं. So let's begin this wonderful celebration with great energy and respect for all the nurses around the world.
One good afternoon to all. So firstly, would like to express wish you a happy Nurses Day. Today we celebrate each and every Nurses Day for your presidency, for your upcoming nurses. It's wide variety of care in this field. I welcome you all the nursing students on this auspicious day, as well as our faculties of Unity College of Nursing. Nurses, most of time we hear about the nurses. Nurses are the backbone of the hospitals and totally work, I think total care of the work in the hospital they holds. With the dedicatedly, with the honestly, with the responsibility, with the empathetical manner, they are serving the service. मैं एक चीज़ कहना चाहूँगा नर्सेस के लिए, क्योंकि अभी शैक्षणिक दृष्टि से सिनेरियो बहुत कुछ बदल रहा है, चाहे वो राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर हो, चाहे वो अंतर्राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर हो, चाहे प्रोफेशनलिज्म को लेकर के हो. क्योंकि जैसे अभी मैंने थोड़ी देर पहले देखा कि आपकी जो नर्सेस डे की है, अवर नर्सेज अवर फ्यूचर. तो अवर फ्यूचर क्या है ना? टू सेव द ह्यूमैनिटी. हाउ वी कैन सेव द ह्यूमैनिटी? थ्रू योर डेडिकेटेड केयर, through your service, you can change the world. अब आप देखिए स्वास्थ्य के क्षेत्र में हर कोई आम, चाहे मानसिक तौर पर हो, शारीरिक तौर पर हो, चाहे वो आर्थिक तौर पर जूझ रहा है, और नर्सेस जो है वो हर लेवल पर उनको काउंसलिंग के जरिए सपोर्ट करती है, चाहे वो केयर देकर के हो, चाहे मानसिक सपोर्ट देकर के हो, चाहे आर्थिक जरिए से निवारने का न्योता करना हो. तो ऐसे बहुत सारे लेवल पर नर्सेस काम कर रही है.
service, we must also remember a painful reality. The tragic incident that recently happened in Kolkata shocked the entire nation. एक यंग वुमेन जो अपने सपनों और एम्बिशन से भरी हुई थी, बेरहमी और हिंसा का एक हिस्सा बनकर रह गई। ये एक सिर्फ एक इंसान पर अटैक नहीं था, बल्कि इंसानियत और हर जगह वुमेन सेफ्टी पर एक बड़ा सवाल था। A young woman full of dreams and dedication became a victim of brutality and violence. So now we are presenting a performance based on a tragic incident that reflects the harsh reality faced by many. A stethoscope in hand, dreams in her eyes, who knew her story would end in cries?
On the occasion of International Nurses Day, I feel honored to present a poem dedicated to the angels in white who serve humanity with care, compassion and courage. सफ़ेद लिबास में मुस्कान सजाए, हर दर्द को अपने दिल में छुपाए, थके हुए चेहरों को हौसला देती, नर्सें ही तो जीवन की रोशनी कहलाती। जब उम्मीदें टूटने लगती हैं, सांसें भी रूठने लगती हैं, तब एक नरम हाथ सहारा बन जाता, नर्स का स्पर्श ही चमत्कार कहलाता। रातों की नींदें जिसने वार दी, अपनों से दूर कई बहार दी, हर धड़कन की रखवाली करती, खुद रोकर भी सबको हंसना सिखाती। इंजेक्शन में भी ममता घोल देती, दवाइयों में उम्मीदें बोल देती, बिना किसी शोर के सेवा करती, धरती पर फरिश्तों जैसी लगती। कभी बहन कभी माँ बन जाती, हर मरीज की ताकत कहलाती। निस्वार्थ सेवा की यही पहचान, नर्सों से ही महकता है इंसान। आज नमन उन सभी हाथों को जो जीवन देते हैं टूटती सांसों को। हर नर्स को दिल से सम्मान, आपसे ही सुरक्षित है हर जान। सफ़ेद कपड़ों में फरिश्ता बन जाती है, हर दर्द में उम्मीद की रोशनी लाती है। थक जाए दुनिया फिर भी मुस्कुराती है, थक जाए दुनिया फिर भी मुस्कुराती है, नर्सें ही तो हैं जो इंसानियत का फ़र्ज निभाती हैं।
Good afternoon, everyone. Happy Nurses Day to everyone sitting over here, to all the faculty members. I'm a bit nervous, this is something which I never thought of, presenting myself in front of you. I'm not a person who generally speaks, but today I felt like it's very important to you all tell that the nurses are not just nurses, okay? We people serve, we people care, When families are not present around the patients, you are the only one standing there for you, standing for them. So I believe that I have been working in hospital. Maybe I don't have much of experience like a 5 or 6, but the time period I have, I realized that your profession is beyond, explanation. You can't explain. You starve yourself. You are overworked, and you sometimes get overburdened, maybe through your, seniors working over there, but still you have to maintain your patience. You have to calm down because you're not dealing with that only individual person. You're dealing with the life of the patient. And, students, that is why most of the students from which I have interacted or they may ask me something, I only tell them that you are not, just for the sake of nurses. You're professionals, right? You're doing a professional degree. So have your own standards. Keep your degree just not for the sake. Keep your professionalism not in your education not in your only personality but also in cares, because your personality reflects a lot about your profession. So I would like to request, enjoy your time, that's a different thing, but when you go to clinicals, try to learn, because when any time if any of you present over here, you will do CPR for the first time in your life and you will revive that patient, the feeling you will get, it will be just, you can't define that, you can't explain that, you yourself will feel like finally you saved a life. So it means a lot. So I request you all, enjoy your profession, study it, get educated, but please don't ignore your clinical parts, because that's way more than a theoretical portion. Doctors just come and go, they give orders, they tell you the procedures, but you are the only one who are going to take care, right? You take care of yourself too, but please, I would like to request, please respect your profession. Don't just take it for the sake of being that you are the nurses. Respect it. Have your professionalism in your behavior, your personality, and your clinicals also. And that's all. And happy Nurses Day once again. Thank you.